This video is about a tool called Scan, which helps you map out complexity and uncertainty in a context. I'll do a live diagram for this one. Okay, let's take a look at Scan. Scan is a really simple way of making sense of complexity and then deciding what to do with it. So imagine we have, well, just a straight line, just an axis. From certain at one end, where you know exactly what's going on, to inherently uncertain. We've got no idea what's going on. It's completely unpredictable. And somewhere along there, there's going to be an axis, a transition point between where we have effective certainty, where we know enough about what's going on, to where we really don't. So there's a kind of transition that will move around a bit that we could call effective certainty. On this side, when we do the same things, we're going to get the same results. On this side, we don't know if we're going to get the same results. We may need to do different things to get the same effective results. On this side, we're following rules. Things are step by step. Whereas here, we're going to need skill. There's no real doubt about that at all. Going the other direction, think of the amount of time before, if you think of this as now, then how much time do we have before we have to take action? And also going into what will then be the past, where we can review, but we can't change anything. So from now into the past, and also what happens, how much time we have before what needs to be the now, the planning that we can do. So there's another kind of axis that happens, the transition between plan and action. When we plan, we've got plenty of time to think about things. When we're in the midst of action, we don't have time to stop. But again, that's another boundary that is going to move around. So if you like, that's the edge of action. And we can summarize these with a set of labels. Think of that as simple. It has to be simple for us to do it fast, to follow just the rules. Here, we're more complicated. We've got time to plan things out. Over here, things are ambiguous. They're uncertain, but again, we have some time to plan it out and sort out the ambiguity. Down here, we're in the not known. We don't know what's going on, particularly at real time. So that gives us simple, complicated, ambiguous, not known, gives us Scan.